Plant these 8 crops this autumn and enjoy a record-breaking early harvest. These simple fall planting tips will give you a head start and a bountiful harvest next spring. The secret is fall or winter sowing, a method that gives your garden a head start. By planting seeds before winter, you're mimicking natural conditions that prepare them to grow vigorously as soon as the soil warms in spring. This technique, known for centuries, is called stratification, and it's essential for certain seeds to awaken strong and healthy. Garlic is the star of fall planting. For large, flavorful bulbs, autumn is the perfect time to plant. During fall and winter, garlic develops a strong root system and undergoes natural stratification. Come spring, it grows rapidly, far outperforming spring-planted garlic. Plant cloves 3 to 4 weeks before the soil freezes, choosing the largest and healthiest ones. To protect against diseases, you can briefly soak them in a mild potassium permanganate solution. Planting depth is crucial. About 3 times the clove's height ensures frost protection and vigorous growth. Onion sets are another excellent candidate for overwintering. Small bulbs, usually up to 1 centimeter in diameter, establish strong roots and deliver the first crisp, green shoots early in spring. Cover them with a 5 to 7 centimeters layer of mulch such as straw or dry leaves to protect them from extreme temperature changes. Remove the mulch in spring to help the soil warm quickly and encourage rapid growth. Root vegetables like carrots also benefit from fall sowing. Seeds planted in autumn absorb winter moisture and germinate early, giving you a 2 to 3 week advantage over spring-planted crops. Early sown carrots are sweeter, juicier, and more resistant to pests like carrot flies. Choose early and mid-season varieties and sow 20 to 25% more seeds than usual to compensate for possible losses over winter. Parsley is a great herb for fall sowing. Its seeds germinate slowly due to high essential oil content, but winter stratification ensures early, uniform sprouting in spring. Dill behaves similarly, producing aromatic, bushy plants before the heat of late spring. When sowing herbs, cover seeds lightly with soil to allow easy emergence. Spinach thrives with fall planting. Being a short-day plant, it resents heat and long daylight, which can cause premature flowering if sown in spring. By sowing in fall, spinach develops tender, large leaves and provides multiple harvests before summer heat. This ensures a consistently high-quality crop. Radishes can also be planted in autumn. Seeds sown before winter benefit from melting snow moisture and avoid spring pests, producing crisp, juicy roots 2 to 3 weeks earlier than usual. Timing is crucial. Sow just before the ground fully freezes to keep seeds dormant until spring. Lettuce is another surprising winter-friendly crop. Certain cold-hardy varieties, such as Moskovsky, Belinsky Jelty, or Iceberg, withstand frost and produce early vitamin-rich leaves. Fall sowing leads to uniform, dense seedlings, stronger plants, and faster harvests than spring planting. Preparation is key for successful fall sowing. Choose a sunny spot with good drainage, work the soil well, add well-rotted compost or manure, and a little wood ash. Avoid fresh manure to prevent root burn. Form beds, make shallow furrows, and prepare loose, dry soil for covering seeds once winter arrives. Plant seeds into cold but not fully frozen soil to prevent premature germination. Ideal temperatures are around 0 degrees Celsius during the day and -2 to 3 at night. Fall sowing isn't just a trick for early harvests, it's a way to work with nature. Garlic, onions, carrots, parsley, dill, spinach, radishes, and lettuce are your 8 essential allies. With proper preparation and timing, your garden will wake up in spring vibrant and productive, rewarding your careful planning with healthy, early crops.